So we're gonna do a little bit of shopping right now. We're gonna go and get some groceries and do starting our cooking video. We got a little bit of snow now, which is a lot of fun.
A little bit. Looking forward to
Still getting some more. So we'll get to you guys later. So we just came from getting all the groceries to be able to do this. We spent like almost an hour and a half because we had to go to two different places. We had to get some things
Diapers.
to some diaper. Yeah, a diaper.
There's that boy in the back.
We had to get some diapers and so that and then we went and we got all the ingredients. We're gonna go and see if we could do our first entry. No, we're not gonna do an entry right now. We're just gonna do like a dessert that was Raphael's idea. So I'm gonna leave it to him. I'll help out as much as I can. So first time, yep. So let's see what happens.
Hey guys, now that we're back with the ingredients, which are dulce de leche, coconut, white chocolate. There's a lot of white chocolate in that, and condensed milk. So, like, what we're gonna be doing right now is having my little brother Jacob pour in the condensed milk, which we should do right now. Be careful, we want to pour it all around. That looks tasty already.
I was like a eat it already too.
Yeah, gonna pour that all around.
All around.
Oh, you see that little bit?
You got it?
The little bit.
You need a spoon.
Little bit. Use this.
Should we use this?
Yeah, you can use it. I'm just
That's the spectator.
spectating. See if you guys are doing the right thing. Yep,
Mission
there you go.
Okay, I think that's good.
Yeah.
We should start mixing it up.
You could use the same thing to mix it up.
Here, Lucy.
Just make sure it goes all around before you heat it up. So
But we could get the chocolate.
Lucy's good. Yep.
We could get the chocolate.
I think we need something thicker.
Yeah, hold on. What are you using?
Yeah.
I'll give you
Because
some.
the thing just vanished.
Just one of these. Here.
Oh, those are good. Could you chop them?
I mean, since it's gonna heat up, it's gonna melt anyway. Make sure you grab it. Come on, you gotta.
Oh, that looks so good already.
I know it looks good
No,
to you.
it looks like macaronis.
Anything that involves chocolate.
Like white
It looks
cheddar
like
macaroni.
it looks like white chocolate macaroni.
Good job, Lucy.
I could tell it's really hard.
Yeah.
It is.
I think it's thicker.
There you go. I guess take it. Alright. So I think we should warm it up,
Warm up
and
right
then
now.
we'll get back.
When it's already heated up.
Yep, and we'll get back.
Bang!
Now that we have the chocolate nice and melted, we're gonna pour it. We're not gonna pour it, but we're gonna get the coconut. We're gonna put it in. We're gonna start mixing it. We're gonna have my little sister and my little brother do that.
Okay.
I was just using names because there's so many little brothers.
Yeah. There you go. Just don't touch the.
You guys can put the coconut in now.
Put the
I know.
coconut. And then you have to mix it. Mix it after you put the coconut. There you go.
I want to pay why.
You gotta go a little faster because that's gonna turn hard.
Yeah,
The
we
white
don't.
chocolate's gonna turn really hard.
Well, I
There you
don't
go.
really like coconut.
I love coconut.
It's so
It's
good.
like so sweet. And
Okay, now if I were you, I'll start
Stop,
mixing
stop,
it.
stop.
That's enough.
it's enough sugar.
Mixing it. I'll hold this for you
Oh,
guys.
you mix it with. Can we have the rest
Hold on.
of? Can
It's
we
gonna
eat the
start-
rest
I'll
of
hold
the?
this. You can mix
Can
it.
we rest the?
Yes,
Just mix it.
Can we eat the rest of the coconut?
Yeah, just put that there.
Huh?
Put it in there.
Can we eat the rest of the coconut?
You could eat the rest of the coconut.
I don't
Eat the
wanna
rest of the
touch it.
coconut. There you go. Just mix it around.
Because the bowl is hot.
Okay, and now after you
This
mix.
is new for us.
Yeah.
I've
this is-
never made
It looks so yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at that.
appetizer.
Wow. Make sure you mix it very well.
Yeah, it's really hard because
Yeah. There you go. And now, what do we do now?
we're gonna pour it in there.
Where's that? Okay, I see it now. Okay.
Well,
What
Dad will pour it in.
I'll pour it in. What do you think? You still eating coconut there, buddy? Alright, so
You're gonna like
so
the
here we
pizza?
go. It's nice and mixed. Okay. Now we're gonna put it in here.
Uh-oh.
Use that little green spoon there, Raf.
I want to.
There you go. Oh, that looks so good.
I can't really see it. On the top, on the side. Another
Can
top.
you give it to Rafi so he could because it's gonna get hard soon.
I didn't see.
Oh, use a regular spoon for now. Just.
I think I
Yeah,
could
yeah.
do it.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
There are chunks in there.
There's coconut.
Oh. I thought. It smells good. This
it
is
does.
the first ingredient
Wow, it's
that we
really like it's making me.
made that fun.
Let me try.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I'm
No,
gonna try.
this is good. Okay, that should be
You
enough.
already try it.
Yep.
Try
Now
what?
you gotta smoothen it out.
Yeah, smooth
You
it
need
out. Go
to
ahead.
taste it.
Can I
How
try?
it tastes.
Huh? Just wait. We're gonna have some.
No spoon.
Okay,
I know it's
Oh,
good
that.
because of the smell.
Huh? Yes.
Okay.
All right. Okay, and what do you do next?
We're gonna do the caramel.
Oh, the caramel. Forgot about that. It's nice. Is it warm? It's warm. Yep, it's warm. Nice and
Can I
warm.
put it
Yeah, let me put the dots. Put
Wait,
little
Jim-
dots. Lucy, put little dots all around.
Like right here,
Yeah.
right there.
in? Come on.
1 hour later.
It goes slow.
Use the use that one. Use the scoop one.
Oh, can I do it?
Because we can't take too long because it has to be warm.
Oh.
Let Lucy do one. There you go.
The pooper scooper.
The pooper scooper.
Literally is a pooper scooper.
There you go.
Put on through this.
And now Rafi's gonna take care of the little decoration after she's done scooping the pooper scooper.
Pooper Scooper. That's a funny name.
The poop
Alright.
and scoop.
Wow, look at that.
This is some good
I already wanted
That's some
it.
good.
Big scoop of poop.
Whoa. Okay.
stuff.
Enough with the pooper scoops. Well,
This is gonna be the tricky part. We don't want it to be, so we gotta mix it up.
Okay, good. You're gonna mix it up.
Gotta do this. Huh. This is appetizing.
this is really. We need to put 6
I
stuff.
should have put like an S for subscribe.
Yeah. Don't forget, please, people. Let's
We don't-
subscribe. Help our channel.
Because we don't have that much subscribers.
We don't have that many subscribers now, but hopefully somebody will subscribe.
Out
Watch
for
out.
100 people subscribes.
How many?
1,000.
You guys know what to do
1,000?
now.
Infinity. I
Yeah.
hope.
Now you're gonna
Infinity. That
grab.
would be really
You
good.
should grab do the little lines. You know how to do that line?
No,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest.
Let me see. You could probably do it this way.
You need.
Just make sure you put the caramel, enough caramel.
Do you have to mix
You want me
it?
to put more?
Well, let me see.
It's definitely.
No, it's not gonna work. We had to do it right before, but it doesn't work.
Yeah, because it's not thick enough. Let me see that's enough.
All right. So
We're gonna put this in the fridge.
where does it go?
There.
The fridge. Okay. For how long?
2 hours.
2 hours. We have to wait
2
2
hours
now.
later.
The worst part about
You
making
know, we had
this
Mr. Teston's already taking this.
I'm going to test.
No,
Yeah.
not yet.
Not yet.
I want to do the test.
Not yet, Jacob.
What do you
I'm
think?
going to test.
No.
Oh.
Okay.
All right,
Be
so
right
we're
back.
back
That's
in 2 hours.
That's
See you
that
guys.
test.
Now that we finally got it out after 2 hours, now I'm gonna have my dad cut it and then we're gonna show it to you guys.
All right, let's see. Let's see how, well, it looks okay. Let's see how it tastes, which is the important part. Let's see. Hey, are you excited for some treats? Yeah, he's like,
Just-
yeah. All right. So let's cut it. It's hard enough. Ooh. Alright, so we got this one. Just gonna cut a few pieces. Say, Mom, I want some of that. All the way down to be able to get it out. Looks good to me. Let's get the first piece off. Hopefully I'm in luck and won't break it. Yeah.
Clips.
Okay, that's the first piece. So what it matters is how it tastes. Look at all the white chocolate, the coconut in there. Oof.
Just gonna taste this too.
Are you gonna taste it?
No.
You're not? You're not gonna try it?
Yeah. I won't try. I won't go, Mom.
Yeah, Mom's gonna.
Go me.
Now we're gonna dip some of this caramel on top. Look at that. Look at that.
Yummy.
Look at that. Huh? Nice. So there we have it. Wow. See the layers right there? Nice and yummy.
Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.